Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Dhatu Rupavali. What is meant by a Dhatu? Dhatu means verbal form. There are more than 4,000 Dhatus in Sanskrit. Without a Dhatu, you cannot make a sentence. Now, I will show you a Dhatu. Vad Dhatuhu Lat Lakaraha. The meaning is to speak. See here, children. Vad Dhatuhu Lat Lakaraha. Vad. Vad means to speak. Dhatuhu, verb. Lat Lakaraha. Lat Lakaraha means present tense. Present tense. Now, I will show you the 9 roopams of Vad Dhatuhu Lat Lakaraha. See here, children. Vad Dhatuhu Lat Lakaraha. Then you have to write Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Okay, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. What is meant by Ekavachanam? Singular. What is meant by Dvivachanam? Dual. What is meant by Bahuvachanam? Plural. Okay, children? Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Singular, dual, plural. Now, children, I will write 3 persons. See here. Prathama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purushaha. Prathama Purushaha. Prathama Purushaha means first person. Madhyama Purushaha, second person. Uttama Purushaha, third person. See here, children, actually we have a difference between the language English and Sanskrit. In English, the first person is I, the second person is you, the third person is he, she, it. But in Sanskrit, The first person is he, she and it. Then the second person, you. And the third person is I. Okay, children. Now I will write the Dhatu Rupavali. एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं. प्रथम पुरुषः वदति, वदतः, वदन्ति. देन मध्यम पुरुषः वदसि, वदथः, वदथ. देन उत्तम पुरुषः वदामि, वदावः, वदामः. Okay, children. Now I will say, you repeat. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Vadasi, vadatha, vadatha. Vadami, vadavaha, vadamaha. Vadati means he speaks, she speaks. Vadati means he or she speaks. Vadataha means they too speaks. They are speaking. Vadanti, they all are speaking. They all are speaking. Then madhyama purushaha vadasi, vadatha, vadatha. Vadasi, you speak. Vadasi means you speak. Vadasi means you speak. Vadatha, vadatha means you both speak. You both speak. Then vadatha, you all speak. You all speak. Then vadami. Vadami means I speak. I speak. Vadavaha, we both speak. Vadavaha, we both speak. Vadamaha, we all speak. We all speak. We all speak. Okay, children.